In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to get paid by watching videos. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell notification. On this channel, we talk about different ways to make money online and how you can make money online basically by, promoting apps, by watching videos, by typing. All of that stuff is discussed on this channel. So if you're new to this channel, you consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this content. This is going to be relatively easy for you guys to make this money. You can make over $100 doing this. I'm actually going to show you proof, and I'm actually already showing you proof because I'm in my PayPal account, and so far I have earned over $60 just by doing this. You can see the payments that are coming in from Coinbase. This is really simple, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So all you're going to be doing is going to Coinbase, and if you don't have a Coinbase account, you can go through the link in my description. Also, I have other links to apps that you can make money with as well in the description as well, and also with instructions. Okay, but anyway, you can earn cryptocurrency by basically just watching these videos. You watch these 1 minute to 2 minute videos, you take a 1-question quiz, and then they send you $2 in the cryptocurrency that you're learning about. So in this case, once I finish watching the video and take the quiz and watch all of these videos, I will earn about, what is this, 2, 4, 6, about $6 in cryptocurrency. And basically they will pay me $6 in DAI. And what I would do is I would just go ahead and I'll just show you some proof of this. So what I did was, I said what I do, what I would do, what you need to do, excuse me, is, once you earn that DAI, you just basically sell it and you turn it into US dollars, and then you take that US dollars and you withdraw it to your PayPal. Okay, so this is what I did with the first one. Let me go back to it so I can show you guys. For Stellar XLM, all I did was watch the video, answer the questions, and then I referred 4 friends down here. And once I referred those 4 friends, I got $40. I took that money and I sold it and I turned it into US dollars, and then I withdrew it directly to my PayPal, and that's where you can see the PayPal proof. And that's how I got paid money for watching videos. It's really simple. This is worldwide. Coinbase is in 108 countries, including Africa. I know a lot of you guys are in Africa, so you can definitely do this and earn some money and then withdraw it to your PayPal. And that is that simple. It's really that simple. So once you do that, you just send the money directly to your PayPal, and it usually gets there in between 1 to 2 minutes. It's very simple. It's very easy for you guys to get started. So like I said, go ahead. You can earn around $100 because I still got a good $54 left in doing this stuff in order to get, my full amount. But I've already earned $50. I think $10 on here and $10 on here, so that's about $60. I think you earn around $120 just by doing all of these, and you can withdraw that to your PayPal. So that's $120 in free PayPal money just by watching these 2-minute videos on each of these cryptocurrencies. But like I said, once you get the cryptocurrency, it's going to go in your wallet. So I'm gonna just show you this in another wallet so you guys can understand this very, very quickly. Where's the EOS wallet? So here's what I'm talking about. You're going to receive this in the EOS wallet, and you would just come up here, you hit trade, and then you hit sell, and you would just select the wallet that you got your free coins in. So in this case, I don't have any to sell, but you can see I have some to sell right here. And basically you're just going to see a sell all button. You hit sell all, and it's going to turn it into US dollars or whatever currency that you are, whatever country you're in, whatever currency that you guys use. It's going to turn that into that, and then you can just come over here, hit this, and then withdraw. And it's going to be a little section right here where you hit withdraw, and you can withdraw to your PayPal instantly, and it's there, like I said, within 5 minutes. That's all you're doing. So you're earning crypto, you're earning the cryptocurrency by watching these videos. You take in the cryptocurrency and you selling each of them. You turn it into US dollars or whatever currency is in your country, and then you withdraw it into your PayPal. Very simple, very easy. I hope you guys got value from this video. Hit the like button if you love this video and you enjoyed this content. Also, if you want to learn how to take $2 of the money that you make over here and make a whole lot more, I'm actually going to show you how to do that with Digit and what's the other one, Digit and Capital. I don't have Capital on here, but I'll put Capital back on here. I actually show you how to earn with Digit and Capital. Take that money and make more money. You can earn $10 by putting $1 into a savings account, and you can earn $5 by putting $1 into a to your another savings account, so you can actually turn those $2 and make $15. I'll actually write about that in the description below, so you want to go down and read the description once I get done with this video. But that's for another video, and I'll also teach you how to sign up for the rest of these apps and refer people and earn a whole lot more money. So that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys go and take advantage of this, and come and say I'm gonna take advantage in the comment section below if you're gonna take advantage of this, because I want to know the serious people. Because that's $125 that you didn't have to do nothing but watch videos and earn free money for. So I hope you guys like I said, take advantage and do this. So like I said, I'm gonna have the whole description of how you can earn more once you, because this is a one-time thing. Once you earn the money, you cannot like re-earn it or whatever. Once you earn it, it's just going to be $120 in your PayPal account, but you need to learn how you can make even more. So I'm going to teach you that in the description below, so make sure that you read that description. Have a nice day. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.